everyone. Welcome to Living Room Theater. It's me, Kesa, and I am super excited to make some theater with you today. So today we are going to play a theater game that is called Rapid Fire. This game is all about thinking on your feet, following your impulses, and letting go some of that self-judgment that actors sometimes have when they're performing. You are going to need to practice doing all of those things in our game today. So this is how it's going to work. I am going to say one random word. It could be anything. It could be puzzle, it could be ceiling, it could be cloud, absolutely anything. And then you have to immediately respond out loud with the first word that comes to your head. Now, the first word that comes to your head could be absolutely anything. It doesn't have to be funny or smart or really make sense at all. It's really just about responding with the first thing that you think of. But you're gonna have to go really fast because I'm not gonna give you a lot of time before I say the next word and you have to respond. Does that make sense? All right, your first round of rapid fire. I am going to rattle off 10 different words at you with a little pause in between each of them for you to say the first word that comes to your mind. Ready? On your mark, get set, go. Umbrella. Forest. Bumblebee. Telephone. Ocean. Ice cream. Blanket. Moon. Hair. Computer. Awesome, great job. All right, because that was your first round, I went a little slower so you could kind of get the feel of how this game works. Again, you are just responding out loud with the first word that you think of when I say each of these random words. All right, so we're gonna move on to round 2 of rapid fire where we're going to go a little faster. So shake it out and get ready. All right, here are 10 new random words. On your mark, get set, go. Lunch. Mattress. Eyeballs. Purple. Smelly. Feathers. Heart. Sloth. Home. All right, great job. Good work. All right, that was extreme rapid fire. So if you got behind on a couple of the words, no worries. Just keep reacting as you keep hearing new words from me, all right? We're gonna play the final round of rapid fire, and this time it's gonna go super fast and there are only going to be 5 words. So get ready, this is your last chance, except that you can rewind the video as many times as you want and keep playing the game and keep getting better at your acting skills, which is a good thing to do. Okay, here we have your last 5 random words. On your mark, get set, go. Bedtime. Armpit. Dog. Crayon. Last one, electricity. Great job, wonderful work. Give yourselves a round of applause because honestly, this game can be really hard. This can also be a really fun game to play with someone else. Grab a friend, a sibling, or maybe one of your family members and try it out with them. With that, you're just responding to each other with random words reacting to the last word that you heard. That can go some crazy places, and it's really interesting to see what word you associate with what they just said. Again, this is just working on your impulses and letting go of any self-judgment as well as thinking on your feet, which are all super important skills to develop as a performer. Thank you so much for making some living room theater with me today. If you had fun today, like I know I did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so that we can keep making theater later down the road. Finally, from my living room to yours, let's make some theater.